If you want to disable Chrome in Windows 11 and especially stop it from running in the background or remove it completely, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. This is perfect if Chrome is using system resources, launching in the background, or you simply want to uninstall it from your PC. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 guides. Now let's get started. First, if your goal is just to stop Chrome from running after you close it, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left and click System. Here, you will see an option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This is the setting that allows Chrome to keep running even after you close the browser window. To turn that off, simply switch it to the off position. Once you do that, Chrome background processes will stop running after you close the browser, which can help reduce memory usage and stop Chrome from staying active in the background. If that is all you wanted to do, you are done with the first method. Now, if you want to disable Chrome completely by removing it from Windows 11, we can do that next. Press the Windows key and the S key on your keyboard to open Search. In the search bar, type Control Panel, then click on Control Panel when it appears. Inside Control Panel, find and click Uninstall a program. This will open a list of all the programs installed on your PC. Scroll down through the list until you find Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome once to select it. Then, from the top of the window, click Uninstall. Windows will begin removing Chrome from your system. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the process. Once the uninstall is finished, Chrome will be removed from your Windows 11 computer. So to recap, if you only want to stop Chrome from running in the background, turn off the background app setting inside Chrome. But if you want to disable Chrome completely, go to Control Panel and uninstall it from your PC. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Windows 11 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.